Have you ever trusted someone and later realized they were using you? You ignored the signs because you wanted to believe them. This is how manipulation works. They don't force you. They make you feel safe. They give attention, kindness, and just enough validation to earn your trust. But slowly, they start controlling your decisions, and you don't even notice because emotionally you're already attached. This is called psychological manipulation, and it happens more than you think. But here's the truth. People show who they are early. You just ignore it. So stop trusting too fast. Watch actions, not words, because the right people won't need to manipulate you